So in this video, let's get started with installing everything that our website need, starting from WordPress to plugins to themes and every other thing like that. So let's go back to the domain name we just bought. So you'll be seeing something like this: domain name status. Your domain name is connecting to your hosting account or to the hosting guy. It's going to take a while, but let me just refresh this page and see. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, sometimes it takes hours, but it's fine. Whichever one it takes, you can just refresh the page and see. You can see it's gone, even though it's up to, let's say, 20 minutes. So the hosting have been added to our account. So the first thing you should do when your hosting is has been added to your domain, has been added to your hosting account, the first thing to do is to come down to this security box here or section here, click on it and click on SSL. So you let it to load. So you can see sometimes the SSL will tell you inactive or incorrect or something. This box, this check mark will be red. So you can easily come here and click reinstall. Right now it's active, so that's why you cannot see those things here. So, but that is what you would do in case the SSL is not active, because I like to activate my SSL before I go ahead and install WordPress. So once this is activated, next thing to do is to go to websites, go to WordPress. So from here, we're going to install a brand new WordPress. So you click on install. So here you're going to give your website a name. So in this example, our website name is Classic Way. So I'll just call it Classic Way for now. So this is my email address. Which administration login details do you want to use? So in this section now, I'm just going to use admin. I'm going to create a password, a very strong password. So that's my password. If you click on advanced, just leave these paths just as it is. Do not touch anything there. So this is your administrator email address. This email address is connected to my hosting account. That's why it's here automatically. I can decide to change it and create an email for this particular business if I want. So your website title here, which you can still change later, your email address, your administrator username, right? Then the password, then you click next. Make sure you don't forget this password. If you're using your laptop, just click save to save it on your laptop. So here, of course, just leave everything as it is. Choose the website, the latest WordPress installation, which is the recommended. Leave it at English. Just leave everything as it is and click install. Let me see, turn off automatic application updates. Always just click install. All right, so it took like, let's say 30 seconds or 40 seconds. So you can see our SSL certificate is active, and we have our WordPress installed. So right here now, what you can do, you can click on edit website. It will take you to WordPress website. So you can see it's redirecting us to our WordPress website. Just wait for it to load. Now it has logged us to our WordPress website. So welcome to WordPress. You can see how easy it is. Very, very easy. Trust me, click here, it takes you here. Then you can start editing. So right here, you can come back. If you want to create an email address for your business, you can say help@classicway.shop. You understand? That's the email address you can create. So this is where you can come and do some changes. If you don't understand anything here, you can just go on YouTube and watch videos about hosting your accounts. It's very easy. And if you have any challenges, just let me know, or you contact the live support right here by the bottom right hand corner. 24/7, they are ready to respond to you and attend to your questions. So before this session, let's go ahead and install other things that we need. So the first thing I will do when I land on my WordPress dashboard is to change the permalink. So I'll go to settings right here. So on settings, I'll just hover and set on settings, go to permalink, and I will change the permalink to post name. I'll scroll down and I'll save. Then the next thing is to choose a theme. So I'll go to theme, to appearance. I'll click on themes. And here I'm going to add a new theme. Click add new theme here. I'm just going to choose a default theme. So in this particular video, I'm going to work with, let me just work with this Hello Elementor. Click on install. I will not activate it yet because it will ask us to activate Elementor. So once I just click on install, I will leave it first and I'll go back to plugins and I'll go to add new plugins. So these are the plugins that you're going to add on your website. The first plugin you're going to add is Elementor. You type Elementor on the search bar, then you click install. Then you scroll down, you add this plugin, premium add-ons for Elementor. You click on add-on. Then the next one we're going to add is Fluent Form. That's the form I use, a free form where you can collect your customers' details. So Fluent Form, this particular one is going to add. So the next one, once you've installed it, the next one we're going to add is the Smart Slider 3. I'm going to show you why we are adding this Smart Slider 3 next when we get to that section. So you add it by next end. So click on install. So once these are installed, we'll now go to this section that says under plugin, you will see installed plugin. So we'll go to that and we'll highlight all the plugins here. Let me check this one, check this one. All the plugins that we've installed, we'll just highlight everything. Or you can go to inactive, just highlight everything. I don't want to install and skim me. So these are all the plugins that we have installed. So once you highlight everything or you check everything, just go to bulk options and click on activate, click apply. So you're just going to activate all the plugins that we just installed on our WordPress dashboard. So if I go to active or all, so you're going to see all the plugins that we have. So we have Elementor, we have Fluent Forms. Let me delete this. So we have premium add-ons and we have Smart Slider. There's one other plugin I like to add. It's called Essential. Let me just type Elementor. I will see it from Elementor here. This one, I like to add this one also because I have some elements I like to use from this particular plugin. So I'll click install and I'll click activate. So since it's just one, I just want to activate it. So it's going to ask me all these details. Click next. Next. I don't want to use every plugin that we're using here is free. It's 100% free. So let me just click next. I don't need all this for now. Not thanks. So everything we're using here is free. So now we have all these plugins installed. Like we said, we're going to install WordPress. We've done it. Install plugins. We've done it. Install themes. We've done it. Now let's go and activate the theme that we installed earlier. So you go to appearance, you go to themes. So you can see this theme that we installed. Let's activate it. So it's been activated. The reason why I like to use this theme because it's default theme and it's light. So now that I activate this one, I'm just going to delete two of these default ones. I'll click delete this one. I'll go here and I'll delete this one also. So I'll just leave these two here, but this is what the one I'm using right now because you can see active. So once you're done with this, right, the next step that we're going to is to import our template and customize it. So I'll show you how to get the template in the next video, show you how to import it to this website, show you how to customize the website, and I'm also going to show you how to also create it from scratch, which is going to be an advanced class. So but this video is all about installations, how to install WordPress on your hosting account, on your domain, how to install plugins and themes, what we just did. So thank you so much. Let's move to the templates.